Meaning of head-to-head.
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 Head-to-head. Head-to-head is an idiom used to describe a direct competition or comparison between two individuals or groups. It implies a situation where there is no interference from other parties and the outcome is solely determined by the performance of the participants. The result of a head-to-head competition can be unpredictable, as it depends on many factors such as skill, strategy, and luck. In some cases, the competition may end with a clear winner, while in others, it may result in a draw or a tie. Overall, a head-to-head contest is a way to determine who is the better performer or team in a given scenario.